Here we are on the west side of Indianapolis. I cannot wait to give you a tour of this super unique property. Come on, let's go. Here we are inside of our home, 51 South Whitcomb Avenue. This property is incredible. I've never seen a property like this before. The detail that's been brought to life by the previous owner, such as the fireplace that was handmade, the brick that was designed in here, the hand-painted floor that he hand-painted, the copper throughout the house has been hand-painted. This is a really incredible property. I want you to check it out. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this home, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name's Landon Bushing. I'm your local listing expert right here in Indiana. My contact phone number is 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.